Today's topic, what is JSX? So JSX is a very important thing in the React.js. So without JSX, React is not king. So you have to know what is JX. JSX is nothing but it is a JavaScript XML. You have to write a HTML inside the JavaScript. So in this is an example of an JSX code. I'll show you in the React code also. So first, before we have to understand. So in React, we have to import React. Then there is a function which having the name app. Here I have written one constant name, and here if you see that return statement, it will be showing div component. So div to div, it is a it is like HTML, and h1 is the tag, and whatever the name is there, name is a constant. If you want to dynamically display the data, then you have to use the double curly braces, and it is done. So let's come to the React code. So for example, I am giving one folder, that is tutorial component. This is the folder. So here I have to write one JSX dot demo. So this is the JSX. If you write RAF and control space, you see the functional components RAFC. So this is the simple way to create your code snippet. So you see this is a component, and it is exporting this component. Now in between a one return statement is there. So now I just write this. So you can write constant name equal to Mr. Surya. Okay, now here you have to display this name like hello, and if it is a variable, dynamically variable, then you have to write like this name. In the div tab, it is better to write like this because it is a header tag. Now if you see that this div tag is returning a JSX component, means this component is totally sending a JSX content component. Now how to display so you have to use here. So for example, you have to put the JSX component. You see there is a auto import is there, so it is directly import here, auto import. So now in this case, if you come to the output, if you come to the output, then you see that everything is changed. So this is the beauty of JSX. So welcome to our website. We are putting this React code inside this component, and it is coming here, and this is the HTML code. This is dynamically display the data with the help of the curly braces, and this is the p tag, so same as the HTML. So this is this is a very good example of JSX. You can understand. So I think you can understand. So we'll meet in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.